Hello everyone, welcome to mechanical.com. In this tutorial, we are going to create this simple 3D model with the help of its drawing. So let's start our video. First of all, see its drawing. So this is its drawing. This is a simple 3D model which consists of basically the circles. On the left side, there are two circles. The outer circle has a diameter of 55 mm and the inner circle has a diameter of 30 mm and the height of these circles are 40 mm. Also on the right side, there are two circles. The outer circle has a diameter of 80 mm and the inner circle has a diameter of 60 mm and the height of these circles are 60 mm. The distance from the center of the circle and the center of this circle is 150 mm. The thickness is 12 mm and now the last part is the slope. The slope has a thickness of 10 mm and this height is 15 mm and this height is 35 mm. Also, there is a cutout in this circle. This length is 12 mm and the distance from the center of the circle to this line is 34 mm. So this is our simple 3D model and now let's start to design. Go to SolidWorks, open a new part file, click OK. Make sure that the unit system is in MMGA system. Now go to top plane, normal and draw two circles. Go to smart dimension. The outer circle has a diameter of 80 mm and the inner circle has a diameter of 60 mm. Click OK. Now go to features, extrude wall space, select here blind and type here 60. Click OK. Now again go to top plane, go to sketch and draw two circles. Go to smart dimension. The outer circle has a diameter of 55 mm and the inner circle has a diameter of 30 mm. Also, the distance from this center to this center is 150 mm. Click OK. Now go to features, extruded boss base, select here blind and type here 40 mm. Click OK. Now again select top plane, sketch, go to line command and draw a line from this point to this point. Also on the other side. Now select this line, press the control key and this circle and make them tangent. Also select this line, press the control key and this circle and also make them tangent. Now same for the upper circle, select this line, press the control key and this circle and make them tangent. Also this line, press the control key, this circle and make them tangent. Now click OK. Now select this circle Press the control key and also this circle. Go to convert entities and now trim entities and trim like this. Click OK. Now control 7. This is our isometric view. Now go to features, extruded boss base and type here 12 mm. Click OK. Now go to right plane, sketch, line command and draw lines like this. Now go to smart dimension. The distance from this point to this line is 15 mm. And from this point to this line is 35 mm. Now OK. Go to features, rip, select here 10 mm, downward direction and OK. Control 7. See. Okay. Now we want to make this cutout. So select this face, sketch, choose here corner rectangle and draw like this. Go to smart dimension. This length is 12 mm. The distance from this point to the center is 6 mm. Again go to smart dimension and from this point to this line is 34 mm. Click OK. Now go to features, extruded cut and select here through all. Click OK. See, our part is complete. Now select this part, appearances and select the color you want. I want some purplish. I think it is better. You can choose any color you want. It is okay. Click OK. So this is our final part. I hope you liked the video. If you liked, hit the like button and also subscribe to my channel for more videos.